How to use Murph AI. Murph AI review text-to-speech software. Hi guys, welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Murph AI and how to go from text-to-speech with a versatile AI voice generator. So let's get into it. The link for Murph is given in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out right now. If you sign up with a link, you will be able to get a free trial, and I'll show you in a minute how you can save 33% with Murph plans. So let's get into the video. We have so much in store for you guys. Murph is an AI voice generator that helps you make studio quality voiceovers in minutes. You can use Murph's lifelike AI voices for your podcast, videos, ads, and more. Murph will help you save a lot of time and money and help you create voices that match with your brand. Use cases. There is a voice for every need. If you are creating YouTube videos and you struggle with voiceovers, or you create ads and you create presentations, a marketing pitch, and you're looking for a professional voiceover, then Murph got you. Because we can use Murph as a product developer, educator, marketer, author, corporate coach, podcaster, animator, and customer support. With all lifelike voices available on Murph, we will be able to create a professional voiceover for our business, and it will help us align with our brand. Features and benefits. When it comes to Murph AI, it is one of the most versatile and fully packed AI generator out there. With Murph, I will be able to get a vast library of voices. We can choose from over 120 plus text-to-speech voices in 20 plus languages. We can also add video, music, or images, a voice maker that allows you to upload your creatives and sync it with the voice of your choice. With Murph tools, we can play with pitch, punctuations, and emphasis to make the AI voices carry our message however we like. We can also convert a home recording to a voiceover, a realistic voice changer that will help you turn your home recordings into a professional voiceover. We can now also collaborate with our team members so that we can directly work with our team. With all of these amazing features available on Murph, you will be able to create high-quality content. Pricing plans. With Murph, we have a very simple and affordable pricing plan available. If we talk about the monthly plans, we have a plan for free, so we can use Murph for free. Then we have a basic plan, which is going to be $19 per month. Then we have a pro plan available, which is going to be $39 per month. And then we have an enterprise, which is going to be $249 per month. But wait a minute, if we switch to the yearly plans, we will be able to save up to 33%. And now you can see we have different pricing plans available because now we are getting it for cheaper prices. We have free again, and now the basic is going to be $13 per month. The Pro plan is now available for just $26 per month. That is amazing. And we have an enterprise, which is going to be $167 per month. So you can actually save 33% if you switch to the yearly plan and buy this plan right here, which is the most famous plan on Murph. So let me show you the features that we're getting with the Pro here. We have unlimited downloads, we have 96 hours of voice generator, and then we have 48 hours of transcriptions, access to 120 voices, 20 languages. We have voice changer available, up to 3 users, and a priority support. And you can go ahead and choose the plan of your choice and get started with Murph. Don't forget, there is a link in the description down below. You can just click on the link and it will take you directly to the pricing plan, and you can just choose the plan of your choice and also save 33% with yearly plan. The link is given in the description down below. Murph Studio. After the initial sign up and sign in to your Murph, you will get to the Murph Studio. This is where the magic happens. We have our projects where I will be able to see all of my previous projects that I have created and a huge button to create a new project. Then we have templates available on Murph now. Templates are pre-built design that will help me create videos instantly. We have templates available for product and business promos, mobile app explainers, presentations, and podcast intros. You can just click on the customize option and you will be able to use any of the templates available. Then we have My Account inside our Murph Studio. And at the bottom, you will be able to find trash. If you accidentally delete something, you will be able to restore it from the trash option given. At the top, I can see my total space available, resources, studio home, and account. We can also change the layout of our studio if we like. How to use Murph. Inside your Murph Studio, you will be able to find Create a New Project button. So you're going to click on it and it will allow you to create a brand new project. So let's go ahead and create one. Once you click on it, it will take you to Create Project, and we have to give our project a name. Let's call it My New Project. Moving on, we have to select if we want to create an audio or a video. So I'm going to switch to the video here. And again, we have different templates available to work on. We have e-learning videos, training videos, explainer videos, product demo, motivational video, entertainment videos, social media, video games, or video ad. So if you are a beginner, you can play around with the templates. For now, I'm going to start from the blank. Select, click on Create Project, and it will take you to your Murph Studio/editor. Here, we will be able to create our own professional video. Let me show you around. First of all, we have this panel right here. We have Explore AI Voices. It will allow me to select different voices, and I can choose from 120 plus voices in 20 plus languages. I'll show you in a minute how to select a language. Let's go ahead and first upload a script. So you're going to click on Import Script right here, and it will allow you to upload a file from your computer. You will upload your script. I am uploading a script for an explainer video that I want to create. You can see my script has been uploaded and I can get a preview that how it will look like. I do have dialogues in my script, so it's showing me and I can actually see if all of the sentences are aligned right. So let me actually check really quickly, and it also shows us split script by paragraphs, split script by sentences. So for me, I'm gonna go with the sentences, or we can also go with the paragraph because some of my characters have more than one sentence. Once you're done, you're gonna click on Import Script, and the script will be added to your voice generator right here. So you can see my script has been added, and this is what it looks like. You can see we have different characters available and we have a voice for it. Now, if we talk about this panel right here, again, we have add media as well. So I can quickly go ahead and maybe add any music if I want to. We can also upload videos and photos. So when it comes to the stock music, you will be able to find different types of music right here, and I'll show you how to add a music too. And then we have a voice changer. Now again, if I want to add my voice as well, or if I have any MP3 or MP4 file available in my computer that I can just change the voice to, then I can just upload and use a voice changer. So now our script has been added. At the bottom, I can see we have different characters here. And what I can do is I can drag and drop any character from anywhere, any sentence from one place to another. Similarly, we have our video here and then music. And at the bottom, I will also be able to see my play button, and then we have our volume mixer. Now we have our script ready. I can click right here and also add more text if I want. Let's go ahead and first get our characters. So I have 3 characters right now in my script. So I'm going to go to the voiceover right here, Explore AI Voices, and I need a male voice, and I'm looking for a young male. So you can see we have different types of voices available here, more than 120 voices, and you can also check the voice. You can get a preview too. And we have different types of voices available. For example, if you're looking for a young adult, then you can use Marcus's voice. If I scroll down and I'm looking for a middle-aged man, then I can use this voice. If you're looking for a female, let's say a young adult female, then you can use this voice right here. In my case, I am looking for a young adult man, I'm gonna go ahead and check out this voice.
We are innate, and we believe in breaking every unattainable beauty standard.
So select this one, and it will be added right here. I'm gonna actually go ahead and add Marcus to all of the voices where I want him to speak. Again, and I'm gonna go with the same voice because this is the same character I am going for. When your first character is done, let's go ahead and choose another voice. For this one, I'm looking for a young adult female. You can also go ahead and customize your search from here and select an accent. For example, if I'm looking for an English UK, then I can select this one. Then we have US and Canada. We have different types of languages here. So you can select languages and accents from here, this option. Similarly, we can select male or female to customize our search. So I'm going to now go for female. All age groups, I am looking for a young female. So I'm going to go with young. It will give me the choices right here. You can see now I have all of the voices available for US and Canada. And then we have a female and young. So I will select this one. And here we have our second character. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose her for all of her dialogues. If you're going for just one voice, then what you're going to do is you're going to select the voice and hit apply voice to entire project, and it will apply the voiceover to your project. And it will apply the voiceover to your entire script. For my third voice, I'm going to go ahead and look for a middle-aged man. So we're going to simply go ahead and customize our search from here and select our character here. Once you're done with selecting your voices, it will look like this. Now you can go ahead and separately do some of these settings. Select the voice and it will show you the voice that you have selected, and you can change it if you like. Then we have our pitch. So if you want to customize the pitch of your voice, you can go ahead and do that. Then we have our speed, and I can even select what pace my voice should speak in. So I can go ahead and select the speed, and then we also have add pause. If you feel like your voice is speaking too fast, or if you were looking for a pause, then you can go ahead and customize your voice. This is the control that Murph gives us, and that is why it is one of the best. And that is why Murph is a great choice to produce voiceovers. I can now go ahead and customize my different aspects. We can also add emphasis if we like. Click on emphasis and you will be able to move the notes to adjust the emphasis and preview and apply. Let's say you like a certain tone and you were looking to emphasize a word, but your voice is not giving you that. It looks a little robotic. Well, Murph allows you to even select and adjust your pitch, adjust your emphasis so that you have a lifelike voiceover. Similarly, we have 3 dots available here that will allow me to download and even change the pronunciations. Select pronunciation and you will be able to change the pronunciation of a word if you feel like it's not matching. You can get a preview by playing your voice.
Our environment needs us.
And then you can play your entire script too. Let's go ahead and play it and see what it looks like now.
Our environment needs us.
What do you mean?
It is time we think highly about our environment and climate change and do something about it.
What is the reason for climate change?
Since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have released large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere.
The audio looks amazing, and now I'm gonna go ahead and quickly, if I want to insert any music in the background, I'm gonna quickly go ahead and go to the add media option, and we have a stock music that I can select from. Now I can upload my video as well that I already have, so you're gonna go to my uploads and choose a file from your computer. Once the video is uploaded, you're just gonna select it from here and add to timeline. With Murph, I can also work with my videos here, and I can add more than one videos. I can edit them out and they will be added like this. So now we have our voiceover done, we have our characters, we have our video, and we can quickly add some free music in the background. So I'm going to select this music, click to add to timeline, and it will be added right here. And now once the music is added, we can click on it and do some of these settings. Click on the volume mixer, and you will also be able to adjust the volume of all of your different aspects. So of course, I'm going to keep the volume of my voiceovers the highest, and the music that I have in my videos, I'm going to reduce it, and we're going to also reduce the music to this level right here. So it's just in the background. Once you're done, you're good to go, and now your video will be ready. We have a video with a professional voiceover. We have lifelike voices. I have 3 characters, 3 voices, and they're all AI voices. But if you watch the video, you won't be able to tell if it's done by a professional voiceover artist or it's done by Murph. So that's how easy it is to work with Murph and create your professional videos. Once your video is done, you can of course get a preview. So that's what I'm going to do quickly. Now I'm just going to place it here and again play the video. It will show me the voices. Once you're done, you're going to click on export, and we can export it as a video, voice only, voice plus music, or a script. So this is a complete video. Select MP4 and click on download. The video will be exported for you guys, and you will be able to then watch your final video. Let me show you the final project.
Our environment needs us.
What do you mean?
It is time we think highly about our environment and climate change and do something about it.
What is the reason for climate change?
Since the Industrial Revolution,
The link for Murph is given in the description down below. This is you can go ahead and convert your script, just a text that you have, into a professional video with a lifelike voiceover using Murph.